Rain brings weather here.
Biggest band in SoCal.
The biggest band in the world. The biggest band in the world. How you doing down there, guys?
This sucks.
Rodney's the bass man.
I feel like a marshmallow.
It's like a totem pole.
We're the band and pole.
Oh, the totem pole?
I'm the king of the world.
Bastard. Fuck you. Fuck you.
48th time of the century. It's the 48th time of the century. The 48th time of the century. So how's it feel to be the biggest band in the world for you, Brian?
Well, it kind of sucks being the bottom of the band.
It's no fun being in the middle.
Oh, man. But you
I'm
get
on
the
top of the world.
Well, I must say, today was very good practice.
Good practice.
We rocked it.
Don't drop me. Whoa!
Okay, I won't do. Hold it.
Okay. So that was a good practice. We got a lot of good songs coming up. We wrote new songs for you. We ain't playing no more shitty shows.
No shitty bars. Fuck you. Can't get a water or a juice. I don't serve juice. Well, then how do you make a vodka cranberry, you cocksucker? Son of a bitch.
We want water.
Water.
And justice.
And justice.
And justice.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
No.
Someday, goddammit.
Somewhere.
Freedom. All right, that's the biggest dance ever. Let's do a big dance.
Whoa, shit.
Whoa. Okay. Until next time, Rain Brings Weather Band.
Love you guys.